and gentlemen, what is up? My name is JBHCJ100 here. I'm so excited! So excited! I ordered this from ShopTNA.com, and it is the brown bag special. Am I on the camera? Is this whole thing? Okay. So I'm going to unbox this, and this is going to be a legitimate unboxing. Like, you're going to see the order and everything that comes. Okay, so here we go. I'm excited. Tension's building up here in this high capacity crowd of one person. It's here. Okay. Got airbags. Woo! Airbags. Okay. Woo! Got certification. We just got the receipt with someone's autograph. Wait. Yeah, with someone's autograph. I don't know who that is. Tell me in the comments. Whose autograph is that? Okay.
It's like a penis.
So, there it is. Okay, so the first thing, of course, got the TNA brown bag. It's a brown drawstring bag. It's kind of more beige, but there's that. Super cool. Do t-shirt first. Yep, t-shirt. Okay. Let's see. I got this beer money t-shirt, which is exactly what I wanted. Beer money t-shirt, and I'm gonna read that after. That's the front. That's the back. Tastes great. Feels better. And yeah, this is exactly the t-shirt that I wanted. So thank you, ShopTNA. Next, I'm going to go with the DVDs. First, we have TNA Bound for Glory. I don't know what year. There's that. I'm going to tell you the matches. For the World Heavyweight title, Kurt Angle versus Jeff Jarrett versus Sting. 6 Sides of Steel match for tag team title, AJ Styles and Christopher Daniels versus Latin America Exchange. You guys don't really care about the matches, so I'm not really going to read them unless one of them. Well, I'll read you the X Division Championship match. Senshi versus Chris Sabian. And,
TBH, say, your face doesn't making faces.
No Jeff Hardy. So I'm not too thrilled by that. Slammiversary 2008. See if there's any Jeff Hardy.
Only guy.
No, but there's Booker T. From WWE, which is weird. Let's see what's this. Global Impact Japan. No Jeff Hardy once again, but pretty good. It looks like a pretty cool DVD. And Bound for Glory 2007. I'm pretty sure Jeff Hardy was in this one. Nope. Alright, well there's that DVD. No Jeff Hardy DVDs, but I did get Beer Money t-shirt, which is exactly what I wanted. Let's do the banner, and we'll save the action figure for last. Banner. Let's see who this banner is. With packaging, who cares? I believe this is a Sting banner. Yup. This is exactly the banner that I wanted. I can't show it to you guys, but here is that for you. I don't know. That's just part of the face, but Sting banner. I really like this. I really wanted this, and I did not request anything, so this was all random. And Sting Deluxe Impact Series 3 action figure. looks pretty cool. But there you go, guys. Unboxed.
Looks legit.
Let's just go over what I got. I got Deluxe Impact. Oh look, it's damaged. Just a little. Deluxe Impact Series 3 Sting. Bound for Glory 2007. Global Impact Japan. Slammiversary 2008. And Bound for Glory, I don't know what year. Then I got Beer Money t-shirt. So yeah, Beer Money t-shirt. TNA brown bag. And the Sting banner, which is very large, so I can't show it to you. But guys, that's about it. Comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.